one guy you share genes with, whether you like it or not. I have two older brothers. They're my best friends. I have brothers all around me. I have an older brother, and I have a younger brother, and I have another younger brother. I found out I had two brothers, and I was like 8, and I was like, I didn't even understand